So let's see what is inside the bag. Ang daily planner, my pouch. So I think this is called LV Victorian. Next will be my little notebook. This is just a small card holder. It's a gift from a friend of mine, and this is actually a case for you to put your AirPod. Then inside my bag is also my hand sanitizer. Especially nowadays, we need to have a sanitizer, hand sanitizer. So this is from Bath and Body Works Cucumber Melon. Ang bango nito. Super. I love the smell. It's not that strong, but it smells very good. So this is Bath and Body Cucumber Melon hand sanitizer. Next is my Dolce & Gabbana light blue. So this is in, I think, 50 ml if I'm not mistaken. This is in 50 ml. Of course, when you go out, you should always have perfume. Okay, 25 ml lang pala to. It's just 25 ml, so you can just carry it anytime because it's not that heavy and it will not take a lot of space inside your bag. So this is Dolce & Gabbana light blue. Ang bango nito, guys. I love the smell. It's not that very strong, but it's very nice. Okay. And next is my key holder. So this is also from Louis Vuitton in monogram, and it's colored magenta. I think this is magenta color, and I can put 1, 2, 3, 4 keys. So this is my key on my gate, and then yung isa pang gate, and then yung door, and then ito yung sa mailbox. And it's also stamped with my name, VIE, short for Vivian, and this is made in Paris. Okay, so this is my Louis Vuitton key holder in monogram canvas. The next, okay, so this is very important. When you go out and you go inside a mall or any establishments, you need to tap this so that when there are some positive people or affected by a COVID-19, and then magre-register na nag-attend ako or pumasok ako sa isang mall during that time and during that day. So this is also called, I think it's a trace together. I forgot, but this is a property of Singapore government, and this is very useful para matrace ka kaagad and ma-quarantine ka kung sakaling nandun ka. At the same time, then they can also test you if you are affected with COVID-19. Yan. So lagi kong dala yan. And that's it. That's the things that are inside my bag. So if you can see, there's one big pocket which I usually put my phone. Okay, my phone was actually outside because I was searching for Louis Vuitton information, but this is where I usually put my phone. So this is on the big pocket inside, and then aside from that, there's also two small pockets on the other side where I can put my trays together, and on the other side I can put my perfume. Yan. So dyan ko nilalagay yan. Yan. So if you can see inside, meron lang siyang konting puti-puti, but still it's very new and very clean. Okay, so for Rivoli PM, you're wondering where you can find the date code. So, yung sa akin, nandito siya sa isang packet. Dun sa maliit na packet. Yan. Ayun. Ito siya. Hindi ko siya masyadong may pakita. But it's here. Yan. Yung date code niya. Yan. So, napaka-simple ng bag na to. I really love it. And I was so happy that my husband bought this for me. I was actually browsing only on what bags I should be buying next, but it's just so happened that he bought this for me. Okay, so this is Louis Vuitton Rivoli PM. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so let me just put back all the things inside. Okay, my daily planner, my small pouch for my lipstick and lip balm, my card holder, my mini notebook with my pen. Make sure na yung pen niyo hindi nagtatae. Or else, kawawa yung bag ninyo. Mahirap matanggal ang tinta. Then, I'll put inside my wallet. And then, my key holder. I'll put back my perfume. My hand sanitizer. My AirPod. And my trays together. Normally, I put it on my neck. Sinasabit ko siya sa aking neck pag mag-tatap in na. And my phone, let me just put it here. And I think there are still a lot of space inside that I can put some more things. And then I can close it and wear it. Yes, that's it for now, guys. I hope you like my review and update on what's inside my bag. Hope to see you again. Thanks. Bye.
Kinda think I can't meet a girl without letting her down. I wanna be the man my mama can be proud about. I know I walk for miles, but I can't shake all the doubt. You know that I love you, but I gotta do it right by me. 'Cause I got 'em in my blood, got to set it free. So give a little patience and see what time can do. Father like son, yeah. Don't wanna become, yeah, like father like son. I started thinking I can't meet a girl without breaking her heart. It's got me thinking maybe it's just not in our cards. 'Cause I lied and I fell into the things I said I'd never do. Maybe it's the ghost of him coming through. Show a little faith and we'll see what time can do. Like father, like son. Don't wanna become him. Like father, like son. Like father, like son. down. I wanna be the man that my mama can be proud about. 'Cause I'm done with hoping my daddy's coming back for me. I'll show you the person I know I'm meant to be. Like father, like son. Kinda think I can't meet a girl without letting her down. I wanna be the man my mama can be proud about. I know I walk for miles, but I can't shake all the doubt. You know that I love you, but I gotta do it right by me. 'Cause I got him in my blood, gotta set it free. So give a little patience and see what time can do. Like father, like son, yeah. Don't wanna become, yeah. Like father, like son. I started thinking I can't meet a girl without breaking her heart. It's got me thinking maybe it's just not in our cards.